this distinction between fast food and slow food. And one of the key distinctions between that is becoming aware of where your food actually comes from. So the problem with this being unaware is that we lose a certain amount of control, right? If we just sort of accept this as it's given to us, food comes from the grocery store and gas comes from the gas station and water comes out of the tap, or increasingly these days, of course, water comes from little plastic bottles, right? Do the math sometime. Next time you buy a bottle of water, do the math and translate it into a gallon, right? Each one of those little pints that costs like $1 translates into about $8 a gallon. And think about what you pay for gas and how obnoxious it was when gas got up to $4 a gallon.
But that water's really special, right?
It's really special and it's really good. And how does it compare to the stuff that comes out of your tap? Almost the same stuff. As a matter of fact, the water, if you look at the source for most of those, I mean, Perrier and some of these stuff comes from very special places, right? But most of it, if you look at the actual source, it says like, Houston Municipal Water Supply.
Right.
What? Houston? That's a swamp.
Right.